Types of pollution in our oceans. Point, which means that it can be traced back to the source, seen in offshore industrial waste disposal, and non-point, which means that it cannot be traced back to the source, seen in agricultural runoff and pesticide.
One major pollutant found in our waterways are BPAs, or bisphenol A's. These are found in most types of plastics and when are thrown into the ocean, leave the plastic and enter our waterways. BPAs can enter humans if we drink contaminated water, and sometimes we drink that contaminated water without even knowing it. BPAs can disrupt the development of babies before they are born and has also been linked with reproductive organ dysfunction in aquatic mammals. BPAs affect our ecosystem because they cause water to be more acidic than usual, causing some fish species to die. Scientists measure BPA levels through pH testing and UVIS spectrometers. UVIS spectrometers can accurately take water measurements and sort out how many BPAs are present in the water.
BPA levels in water, we can encourage reusable water bottle usage and by not dumping any plastics into the oceans.
Oil spills are polluted on a daily basis from spills, routine shipping, runoff, and dumping. Oil spills kill wildlife, destroy habitat, and destroy critical resources in the food chain. Oil suffocates wildlife and poisons the water quality. Oil harms all living things that ingest it. It also adversely affects shoreline water quality, which kills people and wildlife. Oil is detected through the Acoustic Doppler Current Profile, or ADCP. It is a sonar that measures water flow and can be used to find oil in water. They also use conductivity, temperature, and depth sensors, which are used to determine the basic physical and chemical properties of water and to find abnormalities, which might be oil. We can prevent oil spills by retrofitting our oil wells and oil drills with state-of-the-art materials to prevent spills and catastrophic environmental events. We can also put sanctions on the oil tankers and make them always keep their oil wells maintained, so that during travel there's less likelihood of a crack leading to a catastrophic spill. So this all relies on activism of the human.
Polybrominated diphenyl ethers, or PBDEs for short, is another type of pollutant found in our waters. They are found in normal household appliances and furnitures and are commonly used as flame retardants. PBDEs affect wildlife and humans. They can cause birth defects in humans and can also bioaccumulate in organisms, poisoning and potentially killing them if enough PBDEs have accumulated in their tissues. One way scientists measure PBDE levels is through soil examination and testing to determine if the pollutant is present in the area. Another way scientists measure PBDE levels is by performing biopsies on fish to monitor its bioaccumulation.
PBDEs can be prevented by reducing their usage in household products like furniture or by finding a safer alternative.
One act governing water quality is the Clean Water Act, which set limits on the water pollutants that are in our waters, and it required that there is no point source pollution of any kind in all navigable waterways.
Safe Drinking Water Act, the government puts rules and regulations on the public drinking water and limits the amount of pollutants that can be present in the water.
Thank you for watching, and remember, safe water is happy water.